The universal bevel edge milling machine with an integrated tube attachment enables perfect weld preparation. Presenting the SKF 25, portable beveling machine ideally suited for easy and quick preparation of welded seams. With the SKF 25 beveling machine, chamfer angle can be adjusted continuous from 15 degrees to 60 degrees. With the handy SKF 25, achieve up to 15 mm chamfer width. The SKF 25 is equipped with revolutionary made-in-Germany arbor milling cutter with double-row 10-sintered carbide reversible discs for fast and easy beveling with less noise. The BDS SKF 25 beveling machine is suitable for beveling normal steel, aluminium, nonferrous materials, etc. and delivers perfectly finished welded seams. Equipped with 1100 watt motor, weighing just 22 kilograms, delivering 2,850 RPM speed. Equipped with guide rollers, intelligent automatic overload shutdown for safety. The SKF 25 for uniformly milled edges for perfect welded seams.